welcome back to my channel. To kick off my relaxing night routine, I'm going to be making Golden Graham s'mores bars. Oh my goodness, this recipe is so delicious and so simple. All you need is Golden Graham cereal, as well as 1.5 cups of milk chocolate chips, and 6 cups of marshmallows, the mini kind, and 1/4 cup of corn syrup, as well as 5 tablespoons of butter. The other objects you will need: a measuring cup, a rubber spatula, saucepan, and a 13x9 baking pan. Starting off with setting the temperature on low heat. First up, we are going to want to add 5 tablespoons of butter to this pan. And next, we are going to want to add 5 of those 6 cups of mini marshmallows to our pan. Again, that's only 5 cups. And now adding the chocolate chips, which is 1.5 cups, and 1/4 cup of corn syrup. And begin stirring. This is going to take you about 5 minutes mixing it all together until it gets gooey and melted. And now we are adding 7 cups of Golden Graham cereal to the mixture. After that, you can add in 1 cup of mini marshmallows and begin stirring, but be careful because you don't want to crush or break any of the cereal. And now we are going to be buttering the 13x9 baking pan. We're doing this because we don't want the bars to stick to the pan. Oh my goodness, how delicious does that look? I kid you not, this isn't even in slow motion. I just love how it turned out. So good. After you pour the batch into your pan, you're going to want to gently press down. And adding some more marshmallows to the top. And that's all you do. You let it sit for 1 hour, that way it hardens, and then it's all set to eat. Now I'm going to be taking off my makeup. I'm applying some Pond's cold cream to my face. This is my favorite moisturizer to use when taking off makeup. It really gets the job done and it leaves my face soft and moisturizing after using it. And now taking some makeup remover wipes, I'm going to be wiping all of this off. Now to apply some Neutrogena face wash. This one is an oil-free acne wash. I'm going to be applying that to my face. And then just washing it off with water afterwards. And now I'm going to be taking a bubble bath. I'm using Aromatherapy by Bath & Body Works in the Sleep scent. This is so relaxing. It has a lavender and cedarwood scent to it. It smells so good. And it just gives you so much bubbles, as you can see. I just love a lot of bubbles in my bath and just relaxing in the tub. Now I'm going to be using the Sugar Plum Body Scrub that I got as a stocking stuffer. And it smells so wonderful, just like Christmas. I loved how it smelled. I'm going to be applying my Bath & Body Works Sleep Body Oil. Now I do tend to take hot baths, so instead of using a lotion after my bath, I apply a body oil because it's more moisturizing on my skin, and this one just complements the scent that I already put into the bath. And now I'm putting on my cute unicorn pajamas. These are so cozy. I love them. And like I said, I do take hot baths, so every time I get out of the bath, I need to down a Gatorade or a water just because that bath was so hot and it leaves me so dehydrated. And now I'm going to be applying a all-in-one sheet mask. First up, we have the foot mask. And after applying the foot mask, I'm also going to be doing the sheet mask on my face as well. And you leave this on for 15 minutes. And once those 15 minutes are up, you can go ahead and take those off. Any excess product you have on your feet or face, you just rub into your skin. And now I'm doing the lip mask as well as the hand mask. And the lip mask was a little bit funny because it was kind of sliding everywhere, so you really do have to like not talk or move. Very hydrating and moisturizing. And now I'm applying my Sleep hand cream to my hands. And then I'm going to be putting on some cozy cute unicorn socks. And I love how my whole outfit was just unicorn themed. And of course, on relaxing nights, I like to rent a Redbox movie, and tonight's movie is A Simple Favor. Oh my goodness, if you saw this movie, leave me a comment down below what you thought of it. I was just like, what is going on? There's so many twists and turns and a lot going on. It definitely was an interesting movie. I'm going to be spraying on my pillow sleep spray onto my blanket. And it's just going to give me a very nice, relaxing, calm feeling. And of course, I'm going to have my Golden Graham s'mores dessert with the movie. Again, tastes delicious, hands down. And I hope you all enjoyed my relaxing night routine. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.